Yes, Vatsal, are you there?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Error TV. Yes. Meghana, next is yours.
Yes, sir.
Is everyone, if possible, please open your video so that we can have face-to-face interaction.
Yes, Vatsal.
It's helmets, chairs, yes. Children's method, the download software. See, usually you have to understand this. Obviously, the answer is very good. The applications of this classification is good. So you got 13 marks. Usually, maximum marks a person will be getting, according to UPSC, is 60% of the marks, means 12 by 20. But if this extra mark is because of this answer. Facial reconstruction process of recreating the face of an individual from the skeletal remains. Knowledge of yeah,
Facial anatomy.
apart from this also once you can go through it, that's it.
Yes, sir. I've gone through all of that. Sir, one question in that previous question. Can you go a little up?
Yes.
Yes. I have mentioned somewhere in this question about the Nayana Sani murder case, like 1990.
Yes.
So is it is it controversial, or should I mention that?
Oh, it's relevant only. It's a very famous case.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Here, Naina. Tandoor case also famous.
Oh, yes, sir. The same case is also mentioned.
See here, I will tell you one thing.
Yes.
As the syllabus is limited, it is applications of anthropology. So the questions are like forensic anthropology and facial reconstruction or medical legal cases. So you used the examples, same examples in different answers. You have to remember in your mind that in your final examination, in one answer, if you use one example, try to not write the same example in another answer.
Yes, sir, but both questions were similar, so
Ah,
actual exam it won't be there. And I wasn't remembering any other example while writing. I have a few.
Differential properties.
You can draw the skull of Narmada man.
Oh, so space was
Hmm.
up there. So what should I cut here? Like, if you can give any idea.
Skull you can just draw here.
Oh, okay.
See, what happens, in the
Hmm.
evolution of man question, they expect either a phylogenetic status or a diagram of a skull. It's a general tendency.
Hmm. Okay.
Any questions for me, Watson?
No, sir. It's taking a little time for my value enrichment in tribal India, so I'll be giving the tests mostly in February. Rest all is fine.
Yeah, you can do it in the month of February.
Mhm.
Please, I'm happy with your answers. Please go the same way.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Megan.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yesterday night, I evaluated your copy. Your handwriting is very good.
Thank you, sir.
What I recommend is points are correct. Just my recommendation.
Yes, sir.
Underline this so that evaluator will see the key part. Yes, done.
Okay, sir.
Establishment of primary health care center started. National population policy. Working group on population policy. Even to
Once go through these points as well. Yes, sir.
और एक बात सी मैं और एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ कि सी फर्स्ट आंसर
Yes, sir.
this much space has been left.
Yes, sir.
Here you written answers, you packed the points. Similarly, see the second answer. You packed the points. You packed the points. But
Yes, sir.
here again, this much of space is left. Means I want to tell you, make distance between the lines so that it will not confuse the evaluator. So
Okay.
your answer is correct, perfectly correct. But it should not make like jammed answer. So
Okay.
I believe you understood.
Yes, sir. Actually, because my handwriting is a little small and I have a habit of writing the lines very close by. So even though I'm writing 250 words, it looks smaller.
Yeah.
So just as I'll space it out in the next test.
You forgotten, huh?
No, sir, I did not have the time. I moved on to the next question, but I didn't have the time to finish this section.
You have to conclude it properly.
Yes, sir. So, like in such questions where we are writing and starting with a definition, is it important to mention the work or the year in which the thinker has defined the concept?
If you are mentioning about the work, it is very good, but no need for year.
Okay, sir.
Munda Monkamer, one important point which evaluator will be looking is Nicobari is located somewhere in Andaman Nicobar Island. Nicobari language is present somewhere in Andaman Nicobar Island. Khasi language is located somewhere in the northeast. So
Yes.
much difference is there. Still, they are part of one particular group called as Monkamer. So this relevance is present only in the Austro-Asiatic language group. That point is very relevant. I think this once go through this answer.
Yes, sir.
For that Varna Ashrama question, there is one
Yes.
typical diagram. Now, when Dharma is used, then we will be getting moksha. Try to make one diagram there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was one of the things I wanted to ask you, sir, actually, because I don't really have the habit of making diagrams. So, how necessary is that, especially in paper two? Because in paper one, there are a lot of diagrams to be drawn, but paper two, I couldn't pinpoint the sections where it would be necessary.
It's necessary. For example, for evolution of man, archaeology, and tribal India, mainly for such questions like Varnashrama type of questions, in order to get moksha, they're simplified diagrams.
Yes, sir.
How to put? Please practice those as well.
Yes, sir.
Years, if you remember, it's good, but don't stress yourself for everyone to remember the years.
Okay, sir.
This I observed since last 7-8 years. So students who are not writing the years, who are intentionally not remembering the years also, they got nearly 290, 300 marks, from which we can come to conclusion that years are not mandatory, but the work is mandatory.
Okay, sir.
Any questions for me, Meghana?
Yes, sir. Actually, because I've had a gap in preparation of almost 1.5 years, a lot of relevant examples I'm not able to either find or they don't come to mind easily. So, is there any particular source that I can refer to for a lot of contemporary examples for
See,
these concepts?
I provided 1,000 case studies in your Telegram channel. If you go
Okay.
to files, in files, you will see case studies 1 to 150, 150 to 300. In that way, I provided the case studies. In that
Okay.
case studies also, on every case study on the top, I mentioned this can be helpful in 6.1, this topic. This can be helpful in 5.3 in this topic. Once you go through it and summarize it, it is only of 7. I made it of 7 to 8 lines in order to make you understand. You have to, from that, you have to make only single line.
Okay, sir.
So at relevant place in relevant topic, if you add that, that will be the contemporary exam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please go through it. Or
Yes.
if for everyone it is, if anywhere, if you are missing any example, you just WhatsApp me. I will send a voice message or an example which is relevant, so that you can directly write in your answer.
Okay, sir.
Anything more?
No, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Yes, Nehal.
Yes, sir.
Pranita, your evaluated copy send to my Telegram, my personal number, so that I will be opening it.
Yes, sir.
Snehal, ये points भी आप add करो. Once go through it, you will get idea.
Okay, sir.
Good one.
See, all points are systematically arranged. Why you started writing answers late, Snehal?
Sir, actually, uh, I was not in studies for after mains or sometimes.
No problem. You joined in November, but still you can send me your all your written papers. I will be evaluating it, and we will have one-on-one session. If you have any doubts, also you can ask me.
Yes, sir.
This answer you have to go through again.
Yes.
Good, good. How many marks you got? Within 3 hours you written, right?
Yes, sir.
Any questions for me?
Sir, actually, I'm taking more time, sir. How
Ah,
to minimize the time?
see, I will tell you. It's all about we start the answer and we think in the while writing answers, we will be thinking. The thought process will go in the thinking while writing an answer. That will consume lot of time. आप ये वाला experiment जैसा करो. पहला मंथ एक ड्राफ्ट लिखो. Introduction should be this, only words, intro this word, body this, conclusion this, and you implement the same on the paper. So that what will happen, there is no necessity to think more. Then after 1 month, what you do, the same draft you keep in your mind. The same thought process you keep in your mind. So this I'm going to write, this I'm going to write, in this way I'm going to write. So you make a thought process in your mind. So you just write answer. So the time would consume mainly happens because of thinking while writing an answer. समझ में आया आपको?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Sneha.
Sir, and there is also fourth test copy I have sent
When?
yesterday only.
I will do it. Give me some time, ma.
Okay, sir. Can we do it in next
Yes,
session?
we will do in the next session.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
After evaluation, I will come to know what are all the mistakes. So while I'm doing one-on-one session, I can remember where you had made a mistake.
Yes, it is checked copy only, sir.
You send me, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Yes. Test 4. Pratha, send your copy to my number.
Sorry, sir.
Send your evaluated copy to my Telegram.
Yes, sir. Yes. On Telegram, sir.
Ah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in this paper, I have tried to finish it in 3 hours maximum, but I have left with 1.5 questions, sir.
This one. This one. I noticed one thing, just a correction. I'm not
Yes.
telling this wrong, but however, you are mentioning for every answer nonetheless. See here.
Okay, sir.
You can go for however, you can go for nevertheless. See, what will happen means,
Yes,
for
sir.
the evaluator, we have to show that our answers are not monotonous.
Yes.
You don't know this answer.
Sir. I didn't.
Please go through the model answer. I gave point-wise description of it.
Yes, sir.
Please complete the paper within 3 hours. Any questions for me? Good.
No, sir.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. 20. Time is, how many hours you written, Pranita? Are you there, Pranita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How many hours you written?
5 hours.
Yeah. It's only for 3 hours. No.
So it's my first time to write the test. So, and sir, my classes are still going on. That's why, sir.
Oh, it's okay. So you want to test how you are writing answers.
Yes, sir. I joined the test series, and then you recommend that you should join the class also. So that's why I joined the class.
Yes.
Engagements, okay. So, this is important. Okay.
See, यहाँ पे आपको observations you should write. So, for example, one of the most important observation is mirror image.
Okay, sir.
The Eskimo and Omaha will be the mirror images of their kinship terminologies. Observation. It is correct only. You mentioned relevance. You mentioned about significance. One more observation should be there. As we move in globalization, contact between relatives, between kinship relations, find minimum, which is weakening classificated system in the world. Good. Yes. Good. You are very good. Very good, Pranita. Any questions are for me?
Sir, I saw the test of mine, and sir, I got to know that the in every conclusion you say that need to improve conclusion.
Uh,
So what should I do for that,
see,
sir?
by stucking concept, like what is the stucking? Huh?
Sir, it's a studying, I think. Sir, my handwriting is not good as well. So,
Okay. By studying concepts like marriage and descent theories, we can find out the social norms, harmony in society. No, it's not like that. By studying only. By
yeah.
studying the anthropological understanding of marriage and descent theories, we will understand the people's behavior by which how the harmony has been established between the people, we can come to an understanding. So a
Okay.
description should be there.
Yeah.
मैं बोलता हूँ और एक यहाँ पे देखिए. As now feminist movement is on verge, is on verge, we have to promote, is on the verge of extinction or what?
Uh,
As now,
no, sir. It's feminism. I don't know, sir. What did I write? Because it was my first test, and I just got a little bit scared of it.
okay, it's okay.
It's a
But,
feminism.
hmm,
Sir, lots of people are promoting and all. That's why I write the word.
true. What I want to tell you that the content is correct, the information is correct. आपको बस
Okay, sir.
क्योंकि evaluator will see the intro, will go to the conclusion and he will make the judgment on the person. So आपका conclusion के ऊपर
Okay.
थोड़ा improvement होना चाहिए, इसलिए मैं बोला.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है?
And sir, I'm taking too much time. Like
हाँ.
it's a 5.5 hours.
I will tell you. You have to, as I told earlier to Snehal, same thing I will be telling to you. Make points which you want to write on the paper, on the draft, and write the same, execute the same onto the answer sheet. So mainly what will happen, it's true and it's real that we write answer, we write one paragraph and we think. We write another paragraph and we think. So we should not think while writing an answer. So one thing you have to keep in your mind that while you are writing answer, don't give time for thinking. Initially you think, then you write, done.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Pranit.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Chaitanya Reddy,
Yes, sir.
you are not audible.
I didn't attempt. Can
Okay.
I able to?
So please write, Chaitanya, I'm ready to evaluate at any point of time. You can write and you can send me. Every week we will be having one-on-one session. After you write the test, don't worry about prelims also. Just give 2 days, 2 hours a day for Anthro so that you will be free if you clear the prelims. If
Yeah.
I'm telling you,
The thing is that for the
1 minute. I'm telling if you clear prelims and if your answer writing has been not completed with anthropology, there will be a lot of pressure on your head. And this time it is only 80 days for prelims and mains.
You're
So,
right, sir.
keep some time, allocate some time.
Okay.
Any questions for me?
So for the test 3, I started to write the test for first 3 questions. I struggled a lot. I didn't struggle, but I struggled some time to complete within the time. But from fourth question onwards, I was unable to understand the question itself, sir. So I thought like I was lagging in my preparation of anthropological thoughts. So I contacted you for that, sir, same.
No, you write, you prepare and you write. In the one-on-one session, I will tell you what should be the answer for that answer. Leave that to question. I will tell you now what will be the structure.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, sir. Then I will continue my writing
Yes, right.
from tomorrow on.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Happy Republic Day.
Thank you, sir.